Okay, we're doing another new rhythm on page 192, and this is a 16th note triplet. So take a look, see if you can find 16th notes, number one, and see if you see them in a triplet configuration. So if you are looking at the last line and you see measure 9 and 10 and 11, you'll see there's 16th note triplets. So it is a triplet that takes the length of an eighth note. So it's half a beat, 1 and 2 and ba 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 bum, ba ba bum, like that. So let's just play the last line. Actually, let's clap the last line first. In measure 9, we're going to articulate the downbeat even though it's a tie, just for practice. 1 and 2 and here we go, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Rest and 2 and 3, 4. Rest and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, off. Okay, so they're very quick note values, a triplet on half a beat. Let's try playing it now. So just to get your ear oriented to the piece, you've probably all heard this. It's from Carmen, the Toreador song, where all the Toreadors are marching in. And our new rhythm in measure 9, let's just try right hand. So watch out for B flats. 1 and 2, here we go. B flat, 1. Now 2 on F, 1. B flat. Let's do that again. Here we go. And 1. 4 and 1. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just add the left hand, which is just kind of a marchy, has different chords, quite a few different chords actually, but they're all close together. There's not a lot of shifting around. The trick is the rhythm in the right, and it's really important to get the Spanish rhythm going on this tune so it's in character. So don't be lazy with your dotted eighth notes. It's really common for people to start. See, those are triplets. They're not really dotted eighths. Here's how it should sound. 1 and 2. So there's a really clipped sound if you're truly holding your dotted eighth long enough. So don't be lazy and start playing triplets. It's extremely common for beginners to do that. So here we go. Heads up, and just maybe try just the right hand. 1, 2, and here we go. So when you feel ready, I would definitely take the left and go through all the chords. Make sure you're watching out for B flats everywhere. There's a number of them. This chord in measure 4 is what I would call a sus chord. It's kind of, you could call it a G7 going to C also. It has a feeling of suspension and then resolution. Yeah, so there's a lot of different harmonies in here. Be natural in measure 7. Watch out for that. So this modulates temporarily to A minor. from F major. So that's an interesting mediant modulation. So make sure, though, the main focus is a triplet, 16th note triplet. So make sure you've got the rhythm correct on those and your dotted 8th note to 16th rhythms. Very, very precise.